Do you have uneven skin texture, congested pores, wrinkles, and age spots? Then you need to try the new FOREO Kiwi Derma Microdermabrasion device. This device improves texture, tone, and wrinkles, firms your skin and boosts radiance, unclogs and minimizes pores, and increases the absorption of skincare, all at a $159 price point. But if you stick around, I have a special offer for the first 10 people that can shop this device at 21% off. Hi everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trina, I'm 48 years old, and I make videos mostly about beauty devices. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, and I have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices. I'll leave links to all of this down in the description below, so make sure you check it out before you leave. It's been a little while since I've done a video with FOREO. I'm a huge fan of their devices. I've done a lot of videos on the FOREO Bear, the Bear Mini, and the UFO devices. So when they reached out and asked me if I would test out the new Kiwi Derma and make a video, I was really excited. I'm gonna tell you all about this device and its features, and I have a demo to show you how I use the device. And I have a special offer for the first 10 people who can get 21% off by heading down to the link in my description and clicking through to shop. Since this device is new, I haven't seen it discounted yet, so this is a really good opportunity. So first, let's talk about this device technology. So this is a microdermabrasion device. It helps with uneven skin tone, wrinkles, and age spots. And I have all three of those, so I was really excited to test out this device. If you're unfamiliar with microdermabrasion, it is a modality that gently removes the dead, uneven top layer of skin to reveal the fresh and radiant layer underneath. This is a triple tech device because not only does it have microdermabrasion, it also has vacuum suction that clears out your congested pores, leaving them perfectly purged and minimized. All of the FOREO devices that I have T-sonic pulsations, so this one does as well. The T-sonic massage helps with circulation, lymphatic drainage, and also helps to clear out hyperpigmentation and reduce puffiness. What I really love about this device is after you use it, it sloughs off that dead layer of skin so that when you apply skincare immediately after and ongoing, your skincare absorbs so much better into your face, and it just makes your skin look really glowy and fresh and healthy. The device comes with 3 different tips. These are diamond microdermabrasion tips, and it's really easy to change them out. You just unscrew it, and it comes right off. And this is the tip that comes on the device when you first get it. This is the medium size tip. And there also is a larger size tip and a small size tip. And they all screw on really easily. The smallest tip is supposed to be used on your T-zone, while the larger tip is supposed to be used on your cheek area, and the medium size can be used everywhere else on your face. But what I found using the device is you can play around with the different sizes and find the size that works the best for you. I'll show you more of that in the demo portion. There's also 6 levels of suction, so you turn it on, and then you can adjust how much suction you want to use with the device. You can see here I've got level 6 selected, and then you can just tap the little button on the side here, the power button, to adjust the level. When you connect to the app, you can control even more settings, like the T-sonic pulsation. So I'll show you that right now. You connect the device via Bluetooth. You can adjust the auto shut-off time. It defaults to 3 minutes, but you could set it up to 10 minutes. You can adjust the intensity of the pulsations as well as the speed of the pulsations. So you can do low, so it pulses at a lower frequency, or you can do high, where it will pulsate faster at a higher frequency. And then you can even adjust the intensity up to 5 settings. You can increase the circulation, increase the lymphatic drainage based on your skin concerns. And it will automatically shut off in 3 minutes per this timer, but you can set it up to 10 minutes, or you can simply turn off the device manually when you're done. And when you're done, you just screw off the top, and because the device is waterproof like all the other FOREO devices I have, you can simply wipe it off with a wet cloth, and then you can rinse the tip actually with water in your sink. And then I like to use a damp cotton swab just to clean out the filter, to clean out all of the debris and the gunk that the device has pulled out of my skin after use. And it's really easy because it's non-porous, 100% waterproof, and there's a silicone filter in here, and you just clean it out with a cotton swab and you're all done. It's really easy. The device actually is really easy to use, and I'll show you that in the demo portion. I'm starting with clean, dry skin, and here's my face from all angles so that we can compare it afterwards when I'm finished with the treatment. I like to use the first level of suction because it's the most comfortable on my face, but I find the large tip is a little bit too hard to get suction. So I switched to the medium-sized tip and I find it so much easier to use. I hold my face taut with one hand, and then with the other hand, I just glide the device in an upward quick motion, and I do my cheeks, my jawline, and then I move to the other side and do my cheeks and then move down to my jawline. And then I switch to the small size tip and I do my T-zone. Here I'm working my forehead, gliding in an upward motion to finish up my forehead. And then I move down to my nose area and I do the front of my nose and then the sides of my nose. And I love doing the sides of my nose. It feels very satisfying. And then I move to my upper lip and then to my lower lip around my chin area, and that's it. And here's a side-by-side comparison of before and after. You can see in the after video my skin is looking a little bit red because of all the improved circulation, and overall my skin just feels really refreshed and tight, and it feels really good. And then when you're done with the treatment, make sure you thoroughly hydrate your skin. I put some really hydrating serum and cream on my skin, and then I went to bed. And then the next morning I used a deeply hydrating serum and cream, and then I used an SPF 50. You need to protect your skin from the sun, but especially when you're sloughing off that top layer, using a microdermabrasion tool, your skin can be a little bit raw and irritated, so you want to make sure that you're protecting it from the sun. It would be a good idea to wear an SPF 50 along with a hat and sunglasses or even a sun shield to protect your skin from the sun, especially if you have really sensitive skin. It's recommended to use this device once a week and you will start to see improved results over time. And it's recommended to use it in the evening because you saw in my demo, your skin does get pretty red, and that will lessen as you're sleeping and you'll wake up with more glowy, radiant skin. I noticed right away after the first time I used it, my skin was feeling really clean and tight and fresh and glowy. So definitely you'll see immediate results, but then over time, if I'm using this device once a week, I would start to see more even skin tone and start to see some of this hyperpigmentation and melasma lighten up. It also says don't use retinoids, peels, or other exfoliating treatments for at least 3 days before and 3 days after. And refrain from using vitamin C products at least 1 week before and after the procedure to avoid overirritation. I don't have sensitive skin, so I have been using my vitamin C serums and products, but if you do have sensitive skin, it's a good idea to follow their recommendation. This is a really powerful device, and I love that it's only $159 US and does so much for your skin. If you're one of the first 10 people to access my special deal, you can get it at an incredible price at 21% off. If you missed the deal, don't worry, we are in the middle of the holidays, so there's incredible deals going on. I'll make sure to link to all of the current deals down in the description, whether they're Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or just a general holiday deal. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. I have so many videos coming up for the holiday season, so I wouldn't want you to miss any of them. So thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!